Hi, it's Mama Loves Reborns. I'm here with little Miss Makinley. We're just gonna do a little feeding. She's wanting, I think she's been a little cranky and super whiny and clingy because she's not feeling good. But I called her pediatrician. They said just keep an eye on it, give her less formula, see if that helps a little bit. If it doesn't and she starts to run a fever, then to bring her in. So I'm going to give her some gas relief drops, which I already did, and then I'm gonna feed her. So I already made her bottle. It's got, let's see, a little less than 2 ounces in it. This is a 2-ounce bottle, and it's like just a little under 2 ounces. Yeah, it's about 1.5. So we're gonna get her fed. I'm probably going to change her, and then we'll see how she's feeling. We've had a long night. She's been spitting up quite a bit and super fussy, so I'm really tired. I don't drink any kind of caffeine or anything like that, so we're just gonna give her some. I'm sorry guys, you don't get a good view. I'm still new at all of this, so, but I'm just gonna give her a little bottle. If she spits up, then I'm not going to give her any more. I'm just going to try to get her to burp as much as I can, and then I'm going to change her, make sure she's nice and dry, and then we'll probably go from there. She's probably not going to sleep in her bassinet. I'll probably co-sleep with her. Her little bassinet can be bedside, but because it's so long and my bed isn't big enough, I don't have enough room for it to be in right next to my bed without me not being able to get up and down, in and out of bed, I mean, very easily. So let's sit you up and get you out. McKinley. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh man. Look at all that spit up. Look at all that milk. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, girl. You have got one upset tummy. Oh my goodness. Okay. Well, that settles that. She can't have anything else to drink right now because her tummy is so upset. Poor thing. She probably is not feeling good at all. No wonder you've been so fussy, huh? Okay. Let's get you set up to get your diaper changed. Okay guys, we're at the changing table. And take her little pants off of her. I'm not going to show anything. She is full body silicone. Whoops. Not going to show anything. So. Oh my gosh, you poor baby. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. You guys. This poor baby. Oh my gosh, it's getting everywhere too. girl. Let's get you. Wow. Okay. Let's get you cleaned up. Okay guys, I'm getting her cleaned up. Let me get her powdered really quick. My mother-in-law came home, so I'm trying to hurry. Get her powdered. Okay. Hey guys, look. She had really bad diarrhea. I'm still cleaning up. Like, it got on my fingers and everything. Like, oh my gosh. This poor girl. Okay guys, as you could see, she's got pretty nasty upset stomach. I'm sorry if I keep sniffling. I know a lot of people don't like that sound, but I've got really bad allergies and this weather is not helping anything. Anyway, I think we're just gonna go. I'm just gonna give her a passy. She started to look like she was a little pale, or trying to turn a little pale. So I don't know if she's getting worse or what is going on, but okay, there we go. Overlook the mess right there. That's my husband's table. We both have bedside tables that can slide under the bed. So when we eat in our bedroom and watch movies, we'll have a little table to put our stuff on. But anyway, I think I'm just gonna end the video here. I need to call her doctor and make sure that I get a doctor's appointment and take her in and see if she what's going on. I haven't had much sleep, so I'm stumbling over my words like usual. If you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I stumble over my words quite a bit. But sweet baby girl just is not feeling good at all. I think that I'm just going to try to get her to go to sleep. I'm gonna put her in her bed, but I have a little weighted blanket type of thing that I'm going to, it's a weighted lap blanket for toddlers. I think I'm gonna fold that up and layer on it, because I can maneuver it to where her head will be on it, but it's not going to be unsafe because it's really heavy, and she's going to be right next to my bed, so I know she'll be fine because I'm going to be right here, right next to her. But if you've made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. If you like this video, please comment on other videos you would like to see. I'm sorry I haven't done any outings. Plans change. I have 4 kids. My 3 of my kids just started school, so my schedule is going to be getting pretty busy again. So if I do any outings or anything like that, I will let you guys know. Follow me on Instagram. Mama Loves Reborns is my name on there. I post pictures on there a little more often. I just did a little photo shoot with Makinley, so look out for those pictures to be posted on Instagram. Let's see, she just does not feel good. Poor baby. She's so pale. This lighting washes her out, but she looks so pale. Poor baby. But enough of me rambling on. Thank you for watching. Bye.